Hi everyone! Welcome back to our third episode of our Easy Thanksgiving Menu for Two series. Let's bring some greens to the table today. Remember on episode 1 when I roasted some butternut squash on the side? We're gonna use them today. If you haven't seen that episode, please go back, you'll understand what I'm talking about. So today we're gonna keep it simple and make two options. Number 1, a light kale salad with roasted butternut squash with some other goodies, drizzled with a nice and light lemon vinaigrette, and also sautéed green beans with garlic, some bacon on top, and drizzle them with the same vinaigrette we're going to use for the salad. So let's get started. Wash the kale leaves thoroughly, and with a paper towel, remove the excess water. Then, we're going to remove the stems by just grabbing one leaf and by the end, pulling up the leaves with your fingers. Next, we're gonna pile them up just like such, and we're gonna roll them up like this. And then we're gonna run our knife through it, cutting into thin slices. I have already made a lemon vinaigrette, and for more details about the recipe of this dressing, just check the card. I'm gonna mix them very well, and I'm gonna set them aside until we're ready to dress up the salad. Next, in a serving bowl, we're gonna toss together the kale, the roasted butternut squash, that I have roasted along with the butternut squash that I roasted for the soup. We're gonna add some cranberries because this year I'm skipping all the cranberry sauce. So I'm gonna add some dry cranberries in my salad. Also, I'm gonna add some apples and some toasted pecans. You can cover with the plastic wrap and refrigerate if you're not serving it right away. And heads up to keeping the apples from turning brown, cut it just before dressing up the salad. When ready to serve, just pour the dressing over the salad. Make sure that you save some for our next recipe. Also, you can crumble some feta cheese. Doesn't this salad look inviting? I'm using Tuscan kale because it's less bitter than the curly one. Look at this. Beautiful. Maybe a little bit more roasted pecans and also some more feta cheese. And that's it, our salad is done. So let's move on to our second dish for this episode. Sautéed green beans. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add some salt and cook the green beans for about 2 to 3 minutes. Green beans are done. Just drain them and set aside. If you're not gonna cook the green beans right away, just put them in an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Then drain and keep them in the refrigerator until ready to cook. Melt the butter in a skillet over medium heat and add the garlic. And sauté for about 1 minute. Be careful so the garlic doesn't burn. Add the green beans. And toss well to coat the green beans. And cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add some salt and black pepper. And that's it. And to finish this off, we're gonna sprinkle some bacon bits. And this is it, our third episode of our series. This salad is not only delicious, but is also very nutritious to eat for lunch or dinner at any time of the year. And the green beans, an excellent side dish to eat with the protein of your choice. And to make it very, very nice, also very, very tasty, we can drizzle just a little bit of the same vinaigrette that we dressed up the salad with. And that's it. So, thank you so much for watching this episode. And tomorrow, it's gonna be the star of the dinner. The turkey. Ta-da! The juiciest herb roasted turkey breast ever. So, you don't wanna miss it. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye!